Good morning, everyone. Today we will talk about persuasive speech. A persuasive speech is a type of speech that aims to convince the audience to accept a certain viewpoint or take action on an issue. It uses logic, emotion, and credibility to influence others.
The first important feature of a persuasive speech is having a clear purpose. The speaker must know exactly what they want the audience to believe or do. Without a clear purpose, the speech will not be effective.
Second, it should have a strong introduction. The opening must catch the audience attention right away and establish credibility so the listener are encouraging to continue listening.
Third, persuasive species most use logical arguments and emotional affile logical arguments provide evidence and facts while the audience feeling this to convey make the message stronger.
And finally, persuasive speech should end with a call to action. This is where the speaker tells the audience what they should do next. For example, in a speech about recycling, the call to action might be start segregating your waste today. In conclusion, persuasive speech is important because it allows us to influence others positively, inspire change, and create awareness on important issues. We hope you now understand its purpose and importance. Thank you for listening.